Hello, my name is Patrick and this session is for administrators. After this session you should be able to configure appointment books, create letters, correspondence, add users, configure automated correspondence, that's emails, SMS, set up your recalls and manage your NHS transmissions. To get into the configuration, we click the tooth on the top left hand corner and we hit setup. This offers you all of the options to let you configure this system as you wish. For now we're going to go down to appointments, and this is where we can set up books, session types, appointment reasons, cancellation types and D.N.A reasons. I'm going to leave books for a little while and move straight on to session types. Here we have 3 already configured, but we're going to hit the new button and create our new one. You do have the option of web appointments here or book on the day. So for an emergency appointment you might say book on the day only. So there we are, I have added my new name and let's select a colour. The colour will be shown in the appointment book to reflect this appointment type. Once you complete it, push save. I'm going to jump back in for a second and I'm just going to enable web booking on this one, so edit and tick web appointment. There we are, we now have a new yellow section called web booking. Now we can go to the books section and we will edit Martin's book and we'll make use of that new session type. There we have Martin's Monday, and let's get rid of the afternoon session and replace it with our online booking session. There we are. When you do put your new session in play, because Martin has 5-minute appointment durations, we will make the last appointment at 16:55. That means the patient is gone by 5 o'clock. Should the dentist work different days on different weeks, simply push the green add button at the bottom and you can add multiple weekly cycles. Now that I've got Monday configured as I need it, I am now going to copy Monday and I'm going to paste it into other days of the week. Bear in mind you can only paste into an empty book, so I'm deleting the previous sessions and now pushing paste will drop everything in. I can now repeat that for the rest of the week. Now we can paste that information into the following days, and let's have a look at Friday. Martin likes to visit the pub on a Friday afternoon, so let's give him some time, shall we? Now once you did everything, just push save at the bottom and you can select a start date. Clicking the little drop down will allow you to select exactly when you want to start, but let's make ours start immediately and just push OK. Now if we were to look at the appointment book, we will see our nice yellow sessions throughout the week to show that we've updated Martin's book with our new online sessions. Now let's add a new appointment reason. So just click on appointment reasons, hit the new button and we can create a way. Enter the details required, choose a colour. In this case I'm going to go custom and let's have a nice little yellow there. Set your duration. You do however have options for setting these sessions. So let's limit this to web bookings only and let's add a patient portal pack. That means this patient would receive that pack when they receive their appointment reminder as part of the patient portal. And once you're ready, just push the save button. Let's make use of that new appointment reason, shall we? So if we book up a new appointment, we can select the sedation, just push S, it will take you down to the S's. We can double click to add it. The 60 minutes will be configured, as will the colour. These colours are useful, especially things like RCTs, etc. You can make sure that those are in a specific colour and that can help avoid booking those alongside each other. The final two options here are cancellation types and D.N.A reasons. Let's start off with cancellation types. Hit that new button again, and you can put your new cancellation type in. You can choose to have it against the practice or against the patient. In this case, we will leave it against the practice, and we've got our COVID-19 reason. Let's move on to D.N.A reasons. Exactly the same. Hit the new button, put your reason in. Lots of sites nowadays are having things like failed to bring child. There we are, and you can push save, and that can be then selected as a D.N.A reason. Now that we have our new appointment reason for cancellations, we can just right click on our appointment, hit the cancel button, and let's choose COVID-19, and there we are. Bye bye booking, bye bye. Finally, let's return to the appointment book, and if we move from Mondays to Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, you'll see Martin does not appear on a Tuesday. That's because previously did not work this day, but now he does. So what we now do is we go and we change the day of the week view so that Tuesdays will include Martin's hours. There we go, Tuesday, hit edit, and let's move Martin across. Now Martin likes to be number 1 all the time, so let's push him to the top, and there you go. He's assumed his rightful position in life. That is the appointment book configuration.